Hi, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to delete multiple tweets on X. First of all, you have to know that X doesn't have a built-in bulk delete button. Instead, there are two main ways how you can mass delete your tweets from your X account, and the first way is to manually delete all tweets. And the second way is to use third-party tools. For example, I have this website opened that is called TweetDeleter. Also, you can use website TweetDelete or some another that you prefer. So basically, the process is to sign into your X account. So let's tap here. And then you have to choose filters, which you will use to delete your tweets. So here is the filter section. So you can select by tweet type, date, time of day, etc. and basically delete your tweets that you no longer need from your X account. But you have to keep in mind that these third-party tools are not free, and you usually have to pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. Yes, so let me go back to X application and show you how to manually delete tweets. You have to tap your profile picture at the top left and then access your profile. Now you see that your profile is divided into several tabs right here. You have to go to posts, find specific post that you want to delete, tap three-dot button next to it and select function delete post and confirm by tapping delete. And you have to repeat these actions for every single post one by one. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.